Hi, everyone. My name is Joshua Henderson, and I am the head of rare diseases at Pulse Infoframe. I will be answering the question, how can a registry platform be used to support research while also helping to bring in new funding? And what happens to a registry and its data if funding runs out? Clarity around the unfortunate situation where there is no longer funding to maintain a registry is important not only to understand, but also to have it written out. Any agreement that is signed should clearly state, first and foremost, where the data are going to be stored and what mechanisms are in place to repatriate the data or have a copy of the data to the group or groups that have approved access. We've heard many stories of situations where data are controlled by a single party that loses funding or interest and makes the data inaccessible to the other collaborators and stakeholders who wish to access it. Our process and approach is designed to future-proof the data and ensure the sustainability of the collaborative research network, even in the event when one stakeholder drops out. Once registries have been established with a patient pool that contributes data, pharma companies often express interest in gaining access to this data source to complement their research and regulatory efforts. They may pay for limited access to data for a specific time period, or they may offer to sponsor the registry in partnership with advocacy organizations to advance data collection. One important factor in pharma's interest in real-world data is the quality of that data. Not all real-world data are equally valuable. Data that are siloed, incomplete, or lack data standards are typically of less interest and value than complete validated data that adhere to certain standards that allow it to be used by regulatory agencies. With Rare Central, we work together with our patient advocacy group partners to jointly approach pharma companies and attract new funding that both expands the value and scope of data collection and has the potential to bring in a new source of revenue for the organization.